NLN NEX Chemistry Practice. Question 1. During NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which part of speech describes a noun? Option A adjective. Option B verb. Option C preposition. Option D conjunction. The correct answer is option A. Adjective. An adjective describes a noun by telling what kind, which one, or how many. Verbs show action or state, prepositions show relationships, and conjunctions connect words or clauses. Description of a noun identifies an adjective. Question 2. For NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which blood cells help fight infection? Option A red blood cells. Option B platelets. Option C plasma only. Option D white blood cells. The correct answer is option D. White blood cells. White blood cells help defend the body against infection. Red blood cells carry oxygen, platelets help clotting, and plasma is the liquid portion of blood. Infection defense points to white blood cells. Question 3. In NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which number is the product of 8 and 7? Option A 1. Option B 87. Option C 56. Option D 15. The correct answer is option C. 56. Product means the result of multiplication, so 8 times 7 equals 56. 15 is the sum, 1 is the difference if subtracting 7 from 8, and 87 joins digits. Math vocabulary matters. Question 4. On NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word best completes the patient and the nurse blank ready? Option A B. Option B are. Option C is. Option D was. The correct answer is option B, are. A compound subject joined by and usually takes the plural verb are. Is and was are singular forms, and B does not fit standard agreement here. The two-person subject is plural. Question 5. Before NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which body system breaks down food? Option A digestive. Option B nervous. Option C skeletal. Option D urinary. The correct answer is option A. Digestive. The digestive system breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. The nervous system sends signals, skeletal system supports the body, and urinary system removes liquid waste. Food breakdown is digestion. Question 6. After NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which fraction is larger than 1/2? Option A 1/4. Option B 2/5. Option C 3/8. Option D 3/4. The correct answer is option D. 3/4. 3/4 equals 0.75, which is larger than 0.5. 1/4, 2/5, and 3/8 are all less than 1/2. Comparing fractions is easier with decimals or common denominators. Question 7. While NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word means careful and exact? Option A random. Option B careless. Option C precise. Option D vague. The correct answer is option C. Precise. Precise means careful and exact. Vague means unclear, random means without pattern, and careless means not careful. The clue uses nearly the same definition as precise. Question 8. Given NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which organ produces bile? Option A bladder. Option B liver. Option C pancreas. Option D lung. The correct answer is option B. Liver. The liver produces bile, which helps with fat digestion. The pancreas makes enzymes and hormones, lungs exchange gases, and the bladder stores urine. Bile production identifies the liver. Question 9. When NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which number is 1.5 plus 2.25? Option A 3.75. Option B 2.40. Option C 3.25. Option D 4.75. The correct answer is option A. 3.75. Adding 1.50 and 2.25 gives 3.75. Option B is too low, option C misses 5/10, and option D is 1 too high. Aligning decimal places prevents errors. Question 10. If NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which reading strategy helps locate a detail quickly? Option A memorize every word. Option B ignore headings. Option C read only choices. Option D scan for keywords. The correct answer is option D. Scan for keywords. Scanning for keywords helps find specific details quickly. Memorizing every word is inefficient, ignoring headings removes useful clues, and reading only choices may miss the passage evidence. Details require targeted reading. Question 11. During NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which process moves water across a membrane? Option A digestion. Option B ventilation. Option C osmosis. Option D mitosis. The correct answer is option C. Osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water across a selectively permeable membrane. Mitosis is cell division, digestion breaks food down, and ventilation moves air. Membrane water movement is the key phrase. Question 12. For NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value is 3/5 as a percent? Option A 15%. Option B 60%. Option C 35%. Option D 30%. The correct answer is option B. 60%. 3/5 equals 0.6, which is 60%. 35% uses the digits, 30% is too low, and 15% is unrelated. Dividing numerator by denominator gives the decimal. Question 13. In NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word is a synonym for brief? Option A short. Option B long. Option C loud. Option D heavy. The correct answer is option A. Short. Brief means short in time or length. Long is the opposite, loud refers to sound, and heavy refers to weight. Synonym items test close meaning. Question 14. On NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which structure connects bone to bone? Option A tendon. Option B neuron. Option C alveolus. Option D ligament. The correct answer is option D. Ligament. A ligament connects bone to bone. A tendon connects muscle to bone, a neuron carries nerve signals, and an alveolus is a lung air sac. The bone-to-bone clue identifies ligament. Question 15. Before NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which number rounds 46.8 to the nearest whole number? Option A 40. Option B 50. Option C 47. Option D 46. The correct answer is option C. 47. Because the tenths digit is 8, 46.8 rounds up to 47. 46 ignores the rounding rule, and 40 or 50 round to different place values. The nearest whole number is 47. Question 16. After NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which sentence uses a comma correctly? Option A. After the review she took a practice test. Option B. After the review, she took a practice test. Option C. After the review she took a practice test. Option D. After the review she took a practice test. The correct answer is option B. After the review, she took a practice test. A comma correctly follows the introductory phrase after the review. The other choices place the comma where it interrupts the sentence unnaturally. Introductory elements often need a comma. Question 17. While NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which hormone helps regulate blood glucose? Option A insulin. Option B melatonin. Option C adrenaline only. Option D thyroxine only. The correct answer is option A. Insulin. Insulin helps regulate blood glucose by promoting glucose uptake into cells. Melatonin relates to sleep cycles, adrenaline is linked to stress response, and thyroxine affects metabolism. Blood glucose is the insulin clue. Question 18. Given NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value equals 4 superscript 2? Option A 8. Option B 6. Option C 42. Option D 16. The correct answer is option D. 16. 4 squared means 4 times 4, which equals 16. 8 doubles 4, 6 adds 2, and 42 places digits together. Exponents mean repeated multiplication. Question 19. When NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which choice is a complete sentence? Option A. After the lesson. Option B. While reading the chart. Option C. Because the exam started. Option D. The student reviewed carefully. The correct answer is option D. The student reviewed carefully. The student reviewed carefully has a subject and a complete predicate. The other choices are dependent fragments and cannot stand alone. Complete sentences express a full thought. Question 20. If NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which gas is needed for aerobic respiration? Option A nitrogen only. Option B oxygen. Option C carbon dioxide. Option D helium. The correct answer is option B. Oxygen. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen to help release energy from glucose. Carbon dioxide is a waste product, helium is not used in respiration, and nitrogen is mostly inhaled and exhaled unchanged. Oxygen is the required gas. Question 21. During NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value is 45 divided by 9? Option A 5. Option B 9. Option C 36. Option D 54. The correct answer is option A. 5. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. 9 is the divisor, 36 is subtraction, and 54 is addition. Division asks how many groups of 9 fit in 45. Question 22. For NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word means the same as assist? Option A delay. Option B refuse. Option C confuse. Option D help. The correct answer is option D. Help. Assist means help. Delay means make late, refuse means decline, and confuse means make unclear. Healthcare vocabulary often uses assist in patient care contexts. Question 23. In NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which body system includes hormones and glands? Option A skeletal. Option B digestive. Option C endocrine. Option D respiratory. The correct answer is option C. Endocrine. The endocrine system includes glands that release hormones. The respiratory system handles breathing, skeletal system supports movement, and digestive system processes food. Hormones are the key clue. Question 24. On NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value is 10% of 90? Option A 900. Option B 9. Option C 10. Option D 19. The correct answer is option B. 9. 10% of 90 is 9 because 0.10 times 90 equals 9. Option B repeats the percent, option C adds 10 and 9, and option D multiplies by 10. 10% means 1/10. Question 25. Before NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which phrase best describes inference? Option A. A logical conclusion from evidence. Option B. A copied sentence only. Option C. A random opinion. Option D. A title decoration. The correct answer is option A. A logical conclusion from evidence. An inference is a logical conclusion based on evidence and reasoning. A copied sentence may be evidence but not the conclusion itself. Random opinions and decoration do not count as inference. Question 26. After NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which organ stores urine before elimination? Option A. Kidney. Option B. Liver. Option C. Small intestine. Option D. Bladder. The correct answer is option D. Bladder. The bladder stores urine until elimination. Kidneys produce urine, the liver processes substances, and the small intestine absorbs nutrients. Storage of urine identifies the bladder. Question 27. While NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which number is the average of 4, 6, and 8? Option A. 18. Option B. 4. Option C. 6. Option D. 8. The correct answer is option C. 6. The average is found by adding 4 plus 6 plus 8 equals 18 and dividing by 3, giving 6. 8 and 4 are individual values, and 18 is the sum before division. Mean requires both steps. Question 28. Given NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word best completes each of the answers blank important? Option A. B. Option B. Is. Option C. Are. Option D. Were. The correct answer is option B. Is. Each is singular, so the verb should be is. Are and were are plural forms, and B does not fit standard sentence structure here. Agreement depends on the subject each. Question 29. When NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word is closest in meaning to essential? Option A. Necessary. Option B. Optional. Option C. Rare. Option D. Late. The correct answer is option A. Necessary. Essential means necessary or required. Optional means not required, rare means uncommon, and late refers to time. Vocabulary questions often test the closest meaning in context. Question 30. If NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value equals 12 divided by 3? Option A. 4. Option B. 9. Option C. 36. Option D. 3. The correct answer is option A. 4. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 3 is the divisor, 9 is subtraction, and 36 is multiplication. Division asks how many equal groups fit into the total. Question 31. During NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which body system includes the brain and spinal cord? Option A. Skeletal. Option B. Urinary. Option C. Nervous. Option D. Digestive. The correct answer is option C. Nervous. The nervous system includes the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. The digestive system processes food, the skeletal system supports the body, and the urinary system removes liquid waste. Brain and spinal cord identify nervous tissue. Question 32. For NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which sentence is grammatically correct? Option A. The nurse be prepared. Option B. The nurses was prepared. Option C. The nurse were prepared. Option D. The nurse was prepared. The correct answer is option D. The nurse was prepared. The singular subject nurse agrees with the singular verb was. Nurses was and nurse were mismatch number, and nurse be is not standard in this sentence. Subject-verb agreement is the tested skill. Question 33. In NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which fraction equals 50%? Option A 1/2. Option B 1/3. Option C 1/4. Option D 3/4. The correct answer is option A. 1/2. 50% means 50 out of 100, which simplifies to 1/2. 1/3 is about 33%, 1/4 is 25%, and 3/4 is 75%. Percent and fraction conversions are common math items. Question 34. On NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which conclusion should come from a reading passage? Option A. 1 based on outside rumors. Option B. 1 chosen by length. Option C. 1 ignoring the title. Option D. 1 supported by details. The correct answer is option D. 1 supported by details. A strong conclusion must be supported by passage details. Outside rumors and answer length are unreliable. Ignoring helpful text features can also lead to a weak answer. Question 35. Before NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which organ exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A stomach. Option B liver. Option C lungs. Option D kidneys. The correct answer is option C. Lungs. The lungs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide through the alveoli. Kidneys filter blood, the stomach digests food, and the liver processes substances. Gas exchange is a respiratory function. Question 36. After NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which number is 20% of 60? Option A 40. Option B 12. Option C 20. Option D 30. The correct answer is option B. 12. 20% of 60 is 12 because 0.20 times 60 equals 12. Option B repeats the percent number, option C is half, and option D is 2/3. Converting to a decimal helps solve quickly. Question 37. While NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word best completes she blank the dosage carefully? Option A checked. Option B checking. Option C check. Option D have checked. The correct answer is option A, checked. Checked correctly completes the sentence in simple past tense. Checking lacks a helping verb, check does not agree with she in present tense, and have checked does not match the singular subject. The sentence needs a clear finite verb. Question 38. Given NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which science term means maintaining stable internal conditions? Option A osmosis. Option B erosion. Option C condensation. Option D homeostasis. The correct answer is option D. Homeostasis. Homeostasis means maintaining stable internal conditions. Osmosis is water movement across a membrane, erosion moves earth materials, and condensation is a phase change. Stability inside the body is the clue. Question 39. When NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which ratio is equivalent to 3:6? Option A 3:2. Option B 6:3. Option C 1:2. Option D 2:1. The correct answer is option C. 1:2. The ratio 3:6 simplifies by dividing both parts by 3, giving 1:2. The other choices reverse or change the relationship. Equivalent ratios preserve the same comparison. Question 40. If NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which sentence states a main idea? Option A. The paragraph is long. Option B. The passage explains why sleep supports learning. Option C. The word appears twice. Option D. The third line has a comma. The correct answer is option B. The passage explains why sleep supports learning. The first choice summarizes the central point of a passage. The other choices focus on small details or formatting. Main ideas are broader than individual features. Question 41. During NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which cell structure contains genetic material? Option A, nucleus. Option B, cell membrane. Option C, ribosome. Option D, vacuole. The correct answer is option A, nucleus. The nucleus contains genetic material in eukaryotic cells. The cell membrane controls entry and exit, ribosomes make proteins, and vacuoles store materials. DNA location is the key clue. Question 42. For NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which decimal equals 1/4? Option A, 0.14. Option B, 0.4. Option C, 1.4. Option D, 0.25. The correct answer is option D, 0.25. 1/4 equals 0.25 because 1 divided by 4 is 0.25. 0.14 simply uses the digits, 0.4 equals 2/5, and 1.4 is greater than 1. Fraction decimal conversion is a common nursing entrance skill. Question 43. In NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word is opposite of expand? Option A, enlarge. Option B, extend. Option C, contract. Option D, increase. The correct answer is option C, contract. Contract means to become smaller and is the opposite of expand. Increase, enlarge, and extend are closer to making something larger or longer. Antonym questions require the opposite meaning. Question 44. On NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which system transports blood? Option A, integumentary. Option B, cardiovascular. Option C, respiratory. Option D, endocrine. The correct answer is option B, cardiovascular. The cardiovascular system transports blood through the heart and vessels. The respiratory system exchanges gases, endocrine glands produce hormones, and the integumentary system includes skin. Blood transport is cardiovascular. Question 45. Before NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which value solves x plus 5 equals 14? Option A, 9. Option B, 14. Option C, 19. Option D, 70. The correct answer is option A, 9. Subtracting 5 from both sides gives x equals 9. 14 is the total before isolating x, 19 adds instead of subtracting, and 70 multiplies unrelated numbers. Inverse operations are used to solve equations. Question 46. After NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which detail best defines tone? Option A, the page count. Option B, the answer letter. Option C, the publication date only. Option D, the author's attitude. The correct answer is option D, the author's attitude. Tone is the author's attitude toward the topic or audience. Page count and answer letters are not tone, and publication date alone does not show attitude. Word choice usually reveals tone. Question 47. While NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which organ filters blood and forms urine? Option A, lung. Option B, spleen. Option C, kidney. Option D, heart. The correct answer is option C, kidney. The kidney filters blood and forms urine. The heart pumps blood, the lung exchanges gases, and the spleen helps with immune and blood functions. Filtration and urine identify the kidney. Question 48. Given NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which percent equals 0.6? Option A, 600%. Option B, 60%. Option C, 6%. Option D, 0.6%. The correct answer is option B, 60%. Multiplying 0.6 by 100 gives 60%. 6% would be 0.06, and 0.6% would be 0.006. 600% is much larger than the original decimal. Question 49. When NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which word means to reduce? Option A decrease. Option B create. Option C attach. Option D ignore. The correct answer is option A. Decrease. Decrease means to reduce or make smaller. Create means make, attach means connect, and ignore means pay no attention. The meaning clue is reduce. Question 50. If NLN NEX Chemistry Practice, which metric unit measures mass? Option A liter. Option B meter. Option C second. Option D gram. The correct answer is option D, gram. A gram measures mass. A liter measures volume, a meter measures length, and a second measures time. Nursing math often requires matching units correctly.